Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process of downloading and installing Call of Duty Warzone on your PC or laptop for free. So let's get started. First, open up any web browser you have. In the search bar, type in Call of Duty and hit search. From the results, look for this official website. Click on that to open it. Once you're on the official site, look at the top navigation bar and hover on Games. From the drop-down, select Call of Duty Warzone. Now scroll down the page a little, and you'll see a few options to get the game. You can choose whichever platform you prefer. I'll be going with Battle.net today. Go ahead and click on it, and the installer will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, find a file, and open it to launch the installer. Just follow the on-screen steps to get it installed. It's pretty straightforward. After installation, open Battle.net. You'll need to sign in. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. If not, you can also use the login options provided on the screen if that's easier for you. Once you're signed in, click on Games at the top, then find Call of Duty Warzone, click on it. Now you will be on Game page. Here, click on Play for free. You'll be asked to enter your date of birth. Go ahead and fill that in. After that, choose the location where you want the game to be installed on your PC, then click on Continue. Now simply click on Start Install, and Warzone will begin downloading. Keep in mind that the game size is quite large, so depending on your internet speed, the download may take some time. Once the installation is complete, go back to Games at the top, select Installed on the left, and you'll see Warzone ready to go. Just click Play in the bottom left corner, and you're in. And that's it. That's how you download and install Call of Duty Warzone for free on any PC or laptop. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.